For many years, I'd wanted to do a good model of the Bonhomme which was the flagship of John Paul Jones during the American Revolution. You can read the history as I've written it on the accompanying documentation, but the kit itself that I acquired through a friend of mine was really a kit of the Bonhomme in name only. By that I mean any similarity between what the ship actually looked like and the kit were purely coincidental. Consequently, after a great deal of research, I decided that although certain parts of the basic structure of the ship would be usable, that is, some of the ribs after severe modification and the keel after considerable modification, I would be able to construct a reasonable facsimile of the Bonhomme Richard. I won't go into all the detail of all the kit bashing that went on to make the particular ship, just to say that what you see is totally unlike the kit that I started with. I think I have a reasonable facsimile of what the ship looked like based on paintings and contemporary artwork of the Bonhomme Richard. It had been an old French merchant ship until she was given to the Americans to become a frigate, which became very famous in the battle between the Bonhomme Richard and the HMS Serapis, in which John Paul Jones issued his immortal words, "I have not yet begun to fight." Enjoy the model.